Hi, welcome back to a new look. I am back with another natural homemade remedy. Today I am going to show how to clean your nails using toothpaste. Because of using hard nail polish chemicals, nail remover, your white nails will become yellowish or brown in color. Now I am going to show a DIY how to get rid of these brown and yellowish nails from your hand to look beautiful and healthy. There are many causes of getting these yellowish nails because of using a nail polish or by eating, playing in soil, whatever may be the reasons. Most of us have these yellowish and brown nails rather than white in color. For this, I am going to show a tip. Now by using this toothpaste, I am going to show how to clean your nails at home. There are several different causes contributing to yellow nails and staining. The most common is using dark pigmented nail polishes, but it can be because of other unhealthy causes also. If you have yellow nails and don't wear dark nail polishes, then the yellowing can be caused by serious conditions. In rare cases, yellow nails can indicate a more serious health issue such as diabetes, severe thyroid diseases, lung diseases or psoriasis, whatever may be the reason. For the women, commonly these yellow nails are caused due to the nail polishes what we use regularly. For removing all those, just take this toothpaste into a bowl like this. This remedy is very effective and very useful. Just after taking this paste, just apply this onto your fingers like this. Apply to your entire fingers. Please make sure that before applying this paste onto your fingers, remove all nail polish from your nails carefully and apply this paste as a nail polish. It's very funny, right? Yes. After applying these to nails, allow it to sit for 10 minutes and let it dry. Smoking can also cause these yellow nails as well. Nicotine and tar or sticky substances that grab onto your smoker's hands while holding a cigar. Often tar is responsible for the brown stains and nicotine for yellow nails. The main problem for women for these yellow nails is nail polish. That's for sure. Some inexpensive brands cut corners and use large amounts of dyes to reduce the cost, making them more likely to discolor the nails. Nail discoloration is also caused by dyes, damage, drugs, disease, injury or illness. Whatever may be the reasons, this toothpaste is very helpful. The top coats can cause yellow or light brown stains when applied directly to the nature nail. After 10 minutes, take a lemon, squeeze some juice into a bowl. Now taking this brush, dipping this toothbrush into this and rub it on your fingers like this. This lemon juice is also very helpful to get your nail back. It will get rid from all the yellowishness or brown color whatever you have on your fingers. It will give a natural shine. So brush well. Be careful that this brush do not touch the skin because it causes pain and irritation. So brush well and wash your nails. Just pat dry and apply a base coat the main tip is before applying the nail polish, apply base coat which is transparent in color, and don't use too harsh colors on your fingers. It causes this yellowishness and brownishness, and this is very important and effective tip which is very reasonable because the toothpaste is available at your home. And that's it guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Share with your friends and subscribe to our channel.
Like, share, subscribe, ring the bell button.